Hello, it's been a few weeks since I posted anything about the X5SA Pro printer, and the reason for that is it isn't anymore. That's its control system, or what used to be its control system, and in the meantime I've been rather busy designing parts and it's taken a while to get everything just right. But the result is Frankentron. A tool changing printer with a Duet 3 control system on the X5SA Pro chassis that's now been stretched rather a bit. The rear idlers are moved back by about 34mm, an extra rail and a 14mm spacer to give room directly over the original rail. It's also now reversed. What used to be the front is now the back, with the tool heads mounted. The electronics are underneath. Put the lid up. It's Duet 6HC, Duet 3 6HC. Power supply behind there, which isn't actually mounted yet. I've got to put some cross rails in to mount everything on, I think. And that runs up through an E3D tool distribution board in the box there. Can't actually see the screen of what I'm videoing. There's a tool distribution board, 4 tools, 3 functional so far. This one's a Hamera Direct, and 2 V6s, one standard and one with a hardened steel nozzle for doing carbon reinforced materials. The extruders for those are on the back. A Hamera Bowden, which I can't see at the moment, Hamera Bowden down there with its toolboard mounted on top, and the original Titan extruder from the machine with its toolboard mounted on the frame just below the Hamera. And the fourth one is a part-built ASMBL E3D's miniature milling head design, which I'm still collecting parts for. So the tool changing system, time to load tool 0. Tool 1. Tool 2. Tool 3. Put that back again. The tool change mechanism is the standard E3D one. Move the head back out the way a bit. can see it better. Threads in plastic required. And that's the final version. It's got an extra fitment for a BL Touch probe for bed levelling and mesh levelling. And it has lost some working area, obviously because the head's bigger, it's a bit wider, and the wire depth is smaller because of the tools. I know that the tool that's in use having to travel past the others, but it's still not too bad. But it is a test, it's an experiment. What I may do is get one of the larger versions, a 400, 500 or even a 600 version, and move all the parts to that, and then I can refit the original electronics, which are completely untouched. There's nothing being hacked or changed anyway, nothing chopped up. It's just removed, unplugged, and everything can be put back exactly as it was on this machine, and the tool changing parts transferred to another one, as long as it's got a similar frame and some cross rail for the head. So I hope that's of interest. I will post some more videos giving details if anyone's interested. The exact construction of the head and things like that. For now, that's it. Bye.